Channel. Today we see Playing with Numbers Chapter 3 Exercise 3.3 Question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. To check divisibility test for 11, to find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places of the number is either 0 or divisible by 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Now let's see the A part, 5445. First write the numbers at odd places and the numbers at even places. So this is odd, this is even, this is odd, this is even. Sum of the digits at odd places equal to, the odd places are 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Sum of the digits at even places equal to, the even places are 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Now we have to find the difference between sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places. So difference equal to 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 0 is divisible by 11. Hence 5455 is divisible by 11. Let's see B part, 10824. From the right, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place. Now write sum of the digits at odd places equal to, so the odd places are 4, 8 and 1. 4 plus 8 plus 1. 4 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 13. Sum of the digits at even places equal to, even places are 2 and 0. 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Now find the difference between sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place. So difference is equal to 13 minus 2, which is equal to 13 minus 2, 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Hence 10824 is divisible by 11. Let's see C part. First write from the right, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place. Sum of digits at odd places equal to 5, 9, 3, 7. 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. So 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7, we get 24. Sum of digits at even places equal to, even places 6, 8 and 1. 6 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 15. Now find difference between sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place. So 24 minus 15, we get 9. 9 is not divisible by 11. Hence 7138965 is not divisible by 11. D part, 70169308. First write odd place and even places. So this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place, this even place, this odd place, and this is even place. So sum of digits at odd places equal to, odd places are 8, 3, 6, 0. So now add these numbers 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. So which is equal to 17. Sum of digits at even places equal to, even places are 0, the numbers in even places are 0, 0, 9, 1, 7. So add these numbers 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7 which is equal to 17. Now find the difference between sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places. So 17 minus 17 equal to 0. 0 is divisible by 11. Hence 70169,308 is divisible by 11. Let's see E part. First write odd places and even places. So this is odd place, even place, odd place, even place, odd place, even place, odd place, even place. Sum of digits at odd places equal to 1 and others are 0. So 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Sum of digits at even place equal to 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Difference equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 is divisible by 11. Hence 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 is divisible by 11. F part 901153. So this is odd place, this is even place, odd place, even place, odd place, even place. Sum of digits at odd places are 3 plus 1 plus 0. 3 plus 1 plus 0 we get 4. Sum of digits at even places equal to 5 plus 1 plus 9. So 5 plus 1 plus 9 equal to 15. Now find the difference between sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even places. So 15 minus 4 equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Hence 901153 is divisible by 11. Question number 5. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. We know that if sum of digit is divisible by 3, a number is divisible by 3. A part 6724. The sum of digits equal to dash plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. So if you add this number, we get 19. The smallest digit that can be added to 19 is 0. So 19 plus 0 equal to 19. But 19 is not divisible by 3. So let's take the next number 1. 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. 20 is also not divisible by 3. So 19 plus 2. 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the smallest digit that should be taken in the blank space is 2. Smallest digit equal to 2. Now let's find the greatest digit. The greatest digit that can be added is 9. So 19 plus 9 equal to 28. But 28 is not divisible by 3. So 19 plus 8, let's take the before number 8. 19 plus 8 is equal to 27. 27 is divisible by 3. So greatest digit is equal to 8. The greatest digit in the blank space should be 8. B part 4765-2. The sum of digits equal to, the sum of the digits equal to 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 24. Okay, if you add this number, we get 24. The smallest digit that can be added to 24 is 0. So 24 plus 0, we get 24 plus 0, 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the smallest digit that should be in the blank space is 0. Equal to 0. The greatest digit that can be added is 9. Okay, so 24 plus 9 equal to 33. 33 is divisible by 3. Therefore, greatest digit in the blank space should be 9. Question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following number so that the number formed is divisible by 11. A part 9 to blank space 389. Let A be the number in the blank space. Now write 1 from the right, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place, this is even place, this is odd place, and this is even place. So sum of digits at odd places equal to 9 plus 3 plus 2. 9 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 14. 9, 3, 2. Okay. Sum of digits at even places equal to 8 plus 9 plus A. 8 plus 9 plus A, which is equal to 17. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus A. So here we have to find the value for A. If we take A equal to 8, then 17 plus 8 equal to 25. 25. Now find the difference between sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place. So 25 minus 14, we get 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Therefore, the digits in the blank space should be 8. B part. A blank space 9484. First write odd place, even place, odd place, even place, odd place, even place. Sum of digits at odd places equal to 4 plus 4 plus A. 4 plus 4 plus A. Let take A be the number in the blank space. 4 plus 4 plus A equal to 8 plus A. Sum of digits at even places equal to 8 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 25. Now find the difference between sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even places. So if we take A equal to 0, we get 8 plus 0, 8. 25 minus 8, we get 17. But 17 is not divisible by 11. So let us take another next number 1. If we take A is equal to 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 25 minus 9, we get 16. But 16 is not divisible by 11. If we take A equal to 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 25 minus 10, we get 15. 15 is not also divisible by 11. If we take A equal to 3, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 25 minus 11, we get 14. 14 is not also divisible by 11. If we take A is equal to 4, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 25 minus 12, we get 13. 13 is also not divisible by 11. If we take A is equal to 5, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 25 minus 13, we get 12. 12 is also not divisible by 11. So if we take A is equal to 6, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. If we find the difference between sum of digits at even places and sum of digits at even odd places, we get 25 minus 14 equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Therefore, 8 The number should be in the blank space, should be 6. 869484. Exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Find the common factors of A part 20 and 28. Factors of 20 equal to 1 is a factor of every number. 20 is divisible by 2. 20 is not divisible by 3. 20 is divisible by 4. 20 is divisible by 5. 20 is not divisible by 6, 7, 8 and 9. 20 is divisible by 10. 20 is divisible by 20. Factors of 28 is equal to 1, 2, 28 is divisible by 2. 28 is not divisible by 3. 28 is divisible by 4. 28 is not divisible by 5 and 6. 28 divisible by 7, 14 and 28. So common factors is equal to, the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. B part 15 and 25. Factors of 15 equal to 1. 15 is divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 5 and 15. Factors of 25 is equal to 1, 5, 25. So the common factors are 1 and 5. C part 35 and 50. Factors of 35 equal to 1, 5, 7, 35. Factors of 50 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. So the common factors are 1 and 5. D part 56 and 120. Factors of 56 equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 27, 56. Factors of 120 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60, 120. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Question number 3. Find first 3 common multiples of A part 6 and 8. So multiples of 6 equal to 6 times 1 6, 6 times 2 12, 6 times 3 18, 6 times 4 24, 6 times 5 30, 6 times 6 36, 6 times 7 42, 6 times 8 48, 6 times 9 54, 6 times 10 60, 6 times 11 66, 6 times 12 72. Multiples of 8 equal to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So the common multiples equal to 24, 48 and 72. 24, 48 and 72. B part 12 and 18. Multiples of 12 equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and so on. Multiples of 18 equal to 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 116 and so on. The common multiples equal to 36, 72 and 108. 36, 72, 108. Question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So here we want to find multiples of 3 and multiples of 4 and find the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100. So multiples of 3 is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 57, 51 and 54. Multiples of 4 equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64 and 68 and so on. Common multiples equal to 12, 24, 36 and 48. 12, 24, 36 and 48. Question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Co-prime means two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. A part 18 and 35. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. So here the common factors are 1, only 1. So common factor is equal to 1. Since the common factor is 1, the given two numbers are co-prime. So 18 and 35 are co-prime. B part 15 and 37. Factors of 15 equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 37 equal to 1, 37. Common factors equal to 1. Since the common factor is 1, hence the given two numbers 15 and 37 are co-prime. C part 30 and 415. Factors of 30 equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Factors of 415 equal to 1, 5, 83, 415. Common factors equal to 1 and 5. 1, 5. Here the common factor is 1 and 5. Since the common factor is other than 1, hence the given two numbers 30 and 415 are not co-prime. 30 and 415 are not co-prime. D part 17 and 68. Factors of 17 equal to 1, 17. Factors of 68 equal to 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. Common factors equal to 1 and 17. Since the common factor is other than 1, Hence, the given two numbers 17 and 68 are not co-prime. 17 and 68 are not co-prime. E part 216 and 215. Factors of 216 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 27, 36, 54, 72, 108, 216. Factors of 215 equal to 1, 5, 43 and 215. So, here the common factors only 1. So, 1. Since the common factor is 1, the given two numbers 216 and 215 are co-prime. F part 81 and 16. Factors of 81 equal to 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Factors of 16 equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So, the common factor is 1. Since the common factor is 1, the given two numbers 81 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? Factors of 5 equal to 1 and 5. Factors of 12 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So, the common factors equal to 1. 5 and 12 are co-prime numbers. So, here the common factor is 1. So, the 5 and 12 are co-prime numbers and divisible by the product of 60. 5 12s are 60. So, all the factors of 60 will be divisible by the number. 5 and 12 are co-prime and divisible by the product of 60. So, all the factors of 60 will be divisible by the number. Question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other number will that number be divisible? So, let's find the factors of 12. Factors of 12 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. If the number is divisible by 12, it is divisible by all the factors of 12. If the number is divisible by 12, it is divisible by all the factors of 12. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.